Hello everyone, this is 333Gs. Please, there is something I want to say and it's going to our ladies. I want to help them list out some casted format they are using. Men are complaining about it bitterly. So if you are using it, know it that it has casted. Anything many people have known is a casted stuff. You know that format a man you just met, like you meet a man few days, few weeks, the mind will start, your food will finish, you want to do ashebi, your mother is sick, house rent expired, hostel accommodation expired, want to renew lease, this, that. It has casted. Most of them that have known. Like if you come with that pressure, they will just avoid you and you'll be wondering. You know that format, someone you just met, connected recently, like especially when they see a broad profile, you don't know whether that person is suffering there. So far you see it's not in Nigeria. You start with the heavy demand. I want iPhone. You don't even know whether he's using iPhone there. I want laptop. I want to do ashebi. My house rent. My mother is sick. Someone I borrowed money is disturbing me. My dear, before you know it, they will block you because he's stressed. Someone you've not developed any relationship with. You just met the person. Someone you met few days ago, few weeks, the month already started. My dear, it has casted. You know that format, you chatted, maybe chatted him few days, you disappear, you appear again. I've been calling you, your number is not going, baby. What's up now? What is it? My phone fell into the water. My niece threw my phone into the water, is blank, so that he will buy you phone. It's a casted format. You know that format, they send you video and you will lie, I can't view the video, I don't have subscription, my data has expired, so that he will send you data. My dear, it's a casted format. I know why I'm listing all this format. So maybe you are using it and you think you're clever. They have known about it. It has casted. You know that format, a man connected you, maybe showing you some attention, and you tell him that 10 men are asking for your hand in marriage, 5 men are asking for your hand in marriage, so that you push him, my dear. He's a casted format. Some of them, they will say, okay, I wish you well, no problem, good luck. Maybe he's coming for friendship. Every friendship mustn't end the marriage, and you want to force yourself, self-proposal. Some of them, your cousin will call you, your sister will call you, say, I'm with him, that person, that guy I told you, talk with him. And what you hear now, that your sister will be calling him in-law. Hello, my in-law. Can you imagine? They are complaining about it, so you will correct yourself. My in-law, so that you push him to marriage. You are trying to propose to yourself. You see, desperation is a casted format. They've all known about it. The format has casted. Anything many people knows about has casted. Do you understand? Anything many people have known is a casted format. I'm telling you people, they are complaining because if you're a woman doing all these things now, using it, know it that it has. How can you just meet a man? A man you just met recently. If you don't know, I want to do ashebi. I want to buy human hair for my ashebi. Somebody I own is disturbing me. My mother is sick. My father is sick. I lost money. My business is, oh my God, a lot of stress. And when that man disappears, you'll be wondering. Most of them, they will just block you. They will just block you. At least build relationship a bit. We know it that some men are stingy, yes. But build relationship. This complaint is not about long-term relationship like someone that is not helping out. Maybe you are in relationship. If you are in relationship with a guy, at least once in a while, he knows what to do as a man. But this is somebody you just connected, you don't know. You people connected recently. You met him online. The mind will start. You see a broad profile. The mind will start. I went to do this. Achebi, house rent, food. I don't have food. Please, my mother is sick. My father is sick. I need money. This, that. My dear, those stress made a lot of them, they ran away. You don't know. It made a lot of them to disappear, and you'll be wondering, this guy is no longer chatting me. What is the problem? Ah, he has blocked me. Do you think it's everybody that likes stress? It's not everybody that likes stress. So there are men immediately stress them with the mind. Honestly, they will just block you. They will just avoid you. How can you meet a man who just recently, immediately, the mind will flow? Okay, when you have not connected that man, what have you been eating? Your food will finish. House rent expire. This, that. Please, if you are using it, know it that it has casted. It's a casted format. If you can invent another one that work for you, good. But all the format I'm listening at has casted. It's not like it's not working for some people, though, but it's like, let me say, 10% out of 100%, because a lot of them have known. This is 333 G's. More videos loading.